Hello, welcome to Chemistry 110 for this spring semester. I'm Michelle Thomas and I'm going to be your guide this semester. When you first go to the Del Tech webpage, you'll notice it's a little bit new now this semester. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll find our courses. And when you click on our course, Chem 110, our section is 251, you should land right here at our announcements page. Each week on Sunday morning, there will be an announcement for you to get started with the week. There will also be links embedded in the announcement that will take you directly to the items that are due. So this would be the first place that I would start if I were you, each week kind of planning and organizing my week. But you'll probably also want to spend some time planning and organizing your semester. So when you go to our course, if you, in the blue bar at the top, if you click Content, D2L is made of folders. And so if you scroll down, you can see we have folders for each of the items that you're going to need for this semester. And what I would suggest is that you click on a folder. So when you click on a folder, if you're new to D2L, takes a little time to get used to. When you click on a folder, it opens up to what's inside the folder, just like if you had a file folder in your file cabinet at home. And there's our folder. Oh, okay, so week 0, start here. Welcome documents and activities. And that's really where you're going to start. And hopefully you'll find this video in that folder as well. Well, so I click on that folder again. I see additional items that I need to take a look at. And so you'll want to take a look at each of those items so that you'll kind of know what to do for the semester. So a welcome letter, course expectations. Well, the course expectations are very spelled out, but basically we'll have assignments due on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Assignments are due at the end of the day, 11:59 p.m. And you are expected to submit all of your assignments on time, of course, to avoid any late penalty and to make sure that you keep up with your work. Chemistry 110 is a little bit rigorous, and if you fall behind, it can be very challenging to catch up. And so this welcome letter and expectations kind of spells all of that out for you. You do have a variety of assignments to do in Chemistry 110. You'll have labs. Since we're not on campus this semester, the labs will be virtual. So there are websites where you will manipulate things just like you would in the lab. There are review quizzes. So each topic has a review quiz with it that you can submit on D2L as many times as you want. So if you want to do it 10 times till you get a perfect score, please do. There are also homework links. There is an external homework assignment generator called Chem 101, which you probably purchased when you purchased your books. And I'll show you where those links are as well. And so there are 10 homework assignments for you. So you have labs, review quizzes, homeworks, and then as we finish each topic, you will also have an exam on D2L. As you complete your exam on D2L with the lockdown browser, you will also submit your handwritten work. So you have to type the answer into D2L, and then you submit that handwritten work for your final grade. And once that's submitted, you need to do that 30 minutes after you finish your exam or less, and then your exam will be evaluated. All right, so there's a little introduction to our Chem 110 for this semester. The other thing I think is extremely helpful is not only the syllabus, but also the course schedule. And so in a 15-week semester, this goes week by week, the items that are due. If you take a look at the schedule here, the underlined items are evaluated either by myself or by the computer for accuracy and given an accuracy grade. And so it gives you what information you want to read from the textbook, what extra practices are available. And so let me show you where you would find some of those. So let me first close this folder. All right. And so if you, as you come to class, all the Zoom links are here. We'll have Zooms on Tuesday evening at 7 p.m. I'll also hold a virtual student hours in case you have any questions at 7 p.m. on Wednesdays. I can certainly schedule other times for you if needed. But let's take a look now at one of the units. Our first unit is Unit 1. And so in this unit, you'll find a schedule, descriptions of everything. You'll also find the textbook links. So the textbook that we're using, Adams First, is an online textbook available right here. The PowerPoints, test review, lecture videos, you will want to watch those. Labs, all of the labs, and then the homework and review quizzes. So this is where you would find the homework. So as you click on the link, it will take you to the external Chem 101 tool that you need to register and pay for. And then the review quizzes are here as well. You can see these review quizzes are not yet available. So every quiz is available for approximately 9 days. So they will open up as we move through this semester. As always, if you have any questions about anything throughout the semester, please feel free to ask. Oh, one other little thing here. There are extra practices. So if you're struggling with something, if you want to practice extra on something, generally there are paper copies of extra practices here that I would have given you in class and the answers to check your work. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I look forward to meeting you soon.